everybody, Kirk here with Space Pickle Designs, and today is the first video of Beatmas. So this will be hopefully posting on December 1st. If you can see, I already have my tree up this year, and what I wanted to do was something a little bit different, and that is to try to post a video every day until Christmas. And so it may not be necessarily a tutorial or a haul, but it's just going to be some of the things that I'm working on, everything bead related, holiday related. Hopefully I can do it. If I can't, I can't. If I do, I do. But we will have fun in the process. So I hope you come along on this journey with me, and let's just get into the first video. Okay, so first things first, I did want to show you the tree. I just put her up. She's a little lopsided, but you know we all are in our own ways. But I like the star because it gives off this like really cool multicolor effect on the ceiling. But here she is, and yeah, for some reason this year I'm already feeling the holiday spirit. So let's see if we can make that last throughout the month. Here are some of my Christmas ornaments. Obviously, we have a Space Force one. We have one that my mom made of my son. We've got some special ones up here. Definitely have to have the pickle. Look at her. Got some from Hoover Dam. When I bought this tree, it was just like, I just wanted it to be super girly. And so, you know, I think we've achieved that effect. It is a white tree, but it's got multicolor and pink and all this. So there's a little baby picture of my kiddo. He's a cutie. And so we just try to, there's another pickle, of course. We just try to pick up Christmas ornaments from wherever we go. I believe this one is from Aspen. So that was last year's trip. We don't get to take too many trips because of how busy I am. But yeah, here's some of the tree. So I thought I would start off Beadmas with a like low pressure, just really fun tutorial because I always wear stretch bracelets, and this is my stack right now. It says trash. Although I should put this to trash can, not just trash. But you know, being from West Virginia, that's what we are always told, trash, right? And then I have my gemstone bracelets here, and then a tiger iron bracelet, and these are the 10mm size, and I just love that. So we're gonna go ahead, remove those as a statement to, let's make a Beadmas stretch bracelet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some letters out that says Beadmas, and we will make our bracelet. Full disclosure, everybody, these videos will be a little more chatty because I want to use it as an opportunity for you as the viewer to get to know me a little bit better. And yeah, I hope I can carry this out throughout the month. I do have a business trip that's going to take up about 5 days of my time, but hopefully I can make it out and you know, maybe see some bead shops in Orlando. Are there any bead shops in Orlando? I'm not sure, but if there are any viewers or bead shops in Orlando, let me know. We can try to make it happen on some of my downtime. I'd love to meet some of you. All right, so I use these gold spacers just to hide the knot, but I think it's going to be a good addition here. And then I wanted to use these little findings because they're very Christmassy to me. Right here. I think that'll be the bulk of our centerpiece. And then we could use some clear because I just got that in a BB Craft haul. We've got some really bright red crystals here. And I gotta come up with something because I want to use these square dells as well. So I do, and these have like an AB crystal on them. 4, 5, 6. So maybe we can have, all right. You know, I never wear red jewelry, I don't think. Kind of like that. I'll just do one green because I want to be more red, I think. And what we will do is flank it with square dell. All right, so let's start stringing this up because I already think I know what my pattern's gonna be, and this is gonna be the Stretch Magic 1mm. And I kind of pre-stretch it even while it's on the roll here. And I like to start with the big whole bead. And I found that these little square beads you can actually hide a knot in as well. And you just want to make sure after you get all of your letters on that they're going the right way. Okay. All right. So we are good here. This just like reminds me of a holly leaf. So we're gonna do 3 red. A beautiful square dell. And I've had these for years, y'all. Like, I just haven't found something special enough to use them on. Pretty sure they're vintage. But that's what that's so cute. And do another 3 reds. Square dell. Green. Square dell. And that's just really beautiful. It's very festive, you know. And I found if like you take the beads off in a straight line with your finger like that, you can normally get them to go back on that same way. If you just hold your fingers pretty still. Okay. Chugging right along. So here's what I mean. You take it all off. Actually, that's the wrong end. Take it all off. Try to hold it tight. And you can kind of get all 3 of them on. We're using up a bunch of square dells now, but that's okay. That's okay, because this is a special project. And you know, it's like I have so many beads that it's like I can use some of the good beads. You know, it's not the end of the world. I have a lot. Right? So keep these in line here, like this. So I want to see what we're looking like on length. We're almost there. I think one more square dell in green, and then let's see. Then we have our 3 red. Oops, wrong side again. 1, 2, 3, and then our focal. It's gonna be a little bit big, I think. Yeah, it'll be all right though. All right. So this is gonna be our bracelet. And let's go ahead and cut our cord. Move her off to the side. Okay, we've already pre-stretched. Square knot, and then I take two and do an overhand knot. And then just one extra at the end. This is where I will glue. I do love a stretch bracelet. I know it's like, some people think it's juvenile, but I love them. They're just so fun and easy. I know they don't have the best longevity, but if you're a designer, then you just restring it when you feel that the elastic is getting a little tired. So here is our beautiful statement of a bracelet. This is our start to Beadmas 2024. And let's just see how she looks. Actually, it's not too loose, which is good. I think she's a super fun little addition here, and I may off camera, or I might use it as like an extra video, make some stackers to this. So maybe every week or so we can add a little bracelet to our stack using some really fun colors, and maybe we'll use some more words. So if you have any suggestions for words to use for our Beadmas stacker bracelets, please comment down below, and maybe yours will be chosen. If yours is chosen, then I will send you a set of stretch bracelets for your own self to wear this Beadmas. So yeah, you have a chance to win some goodies, and this is the giving holiday season, so expect to see a lot of giveaways during this Beadmas. It's just my way of saying thank you for joining me on this journey and helping me really enjoy my hobby and, you know, share it with the world. So I want to thank you for that. Here's our project. I hope you are staying safe and well, and please comment down below because I would love to know how you're doing. Hope you're staying safe and well, everybody. I will see you